your fingers in, like this.
Oh, you got him.
Put the ghost crabs in your hand.
Good job, Will. Is that your ghost crab? Oh, what's the crabby doing? He's got to run up
Play
your arm.
my arm.
Yeah. It's a friendly ghost crabby. Oh, there he goes.
You need to do a head. Yeah, mate. Yeah, put that in the hole.
Yeah, grab that.
No, pick him up. Yeah, that's it. Put him in the hole.
Let's see. Huh? Get that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good job, buddy.
Happy fish.
On a record button.
He's a happy. Oh, I don't know. He's got his head
Is your
chopped
thumb
off.
a record
I don't know if he's happy
button?
anymore.
Versus hold it.
Yeah, no.
No, not anymore. But he was one day. He was a happy fish swimming around. This is dark. Can you say dark? But they smell like far. Yeah.
It's dark. Yeah.
Dark. There you go. Carry that one. Hold him tight. Hold him tight.
Oh, that's a big one.
Good job, Will. Well done, buddy. Oh, he's going to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, he will.
Is that good, Will? Hey, Will. Is that yummy? Hey! Hey, Will! Yay! Ah, well done!
Yes, everybody.
Oh, yeah, the brakes on.
Callum, Callum.
Jackie.
Oh!
We're moving. Don't walk away.
Awesome.
Put your feet up, Rudy. Put your feet up. Look out. Big back.
Whoa!
That was almost the whole time. Good job, Will. Good job. I have to go again. Stay in my pants. Will, this side.
Over here, buddy.
Go see Dad. Go see Dad. Like
Up here, up this side.
We'll get Ding back.
knackers. Your phone's ringing. Are you gonna answer your phone? Your phone's ringing, mate. Don't answer it yet. Hang on a minute. I love this bit. Alright, now you can answer it.
He's a fuckwit.
Here's the campsite. Taj Mahal. Hey buddy. Hey Tom.
Hey. Hey.
Is that set up? Hey Alicia. Everyone's getting packed up. Brock. Hey Haley.
Camp footage.
Merv. Stevie Merv Hughes, Lakefelt. Dart room. Is dart room still set up?
Yeah.
Hey, dart room still set up. Forex gold sign. Nice. It's all happening here. Oh. Hey boys. Hey Jesse, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Huh?
How's yourself?
Pretty good. Ollie, how you going, mate?
Not bad.
How the scones?
Good.
That's the way. Hey Dave. Just doing a quick walkthrough to check out everyone's camper.
Hi, Mark.
Thanks, mate. Oh, look at that fridge slide. That's what you want.
Look at the fridge.
That's what you want. Drop down fridge slide. You got quite the setup there, Dave.
Brady setup, mate. That's
Pretty-
Brady setup.
Pretty impressed. Check out these scones. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick on these ones, I tell you. Here's where the boys slept. Maybe rad. Pack it up, yeah, all half packed. How you going, Adam?
Good.
You look like you're almost half packed.
Yeah, we're getting there slowly.
That's right.
Couple tins.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Shake Shack. Pretty impressive. Oh, bit of clean up to do in here. Wow. Plenty of room. Kids had a lot of fun with that. Here's the morning coffee spot.